Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I am going to discuss threats to biodiversity. The major threats to biodiversity are number first is climate change. Change in climate throughout our planets. Change in climate throughout our planet's history have, of course, altered life on Earth. In the long run, ecosystem have come in the long run. Ecosystem have come and gone, and species routinely to extinct, and species routinely to extinct. But rapid man-made climate change speeds up the process. Climate change speeds up the process without affording ecosystem and species the time to adapt, and the species the time to adapt. For example, rising ocean temperature and diminishing rising ocean temperature and diminishing Arctic Sea diminishing Arctic Sea ice affects marine biodiversity and can shift vegetation zones and can shift vegetation zones having global implications having global implications. Overall, climate is a Major factor in the destruction of species in the distribution is a major factor in the distribution of species across the globe. Climate change forces them to adjust, but many are not able to cope, but many are not able to cope, causing them to die out. Causing them to die out. Number second is pollution. From the burning of fossil fuels releasing dangerous chemicals, from the burning of fossil fuels releasing dangerous chemicals into the atmosphere, releasing dangerous chemicals into the atmosphere, and in some cases depleting ozone levels, and in some cases depleting ozone levels, to dumping 19 billion plastic, to dumping 19 billion pounds of plastic into the ocean every year. Pollution completely disrupts the pollution completely disrupts the Earth's ecosystems. Pollutants do have the potential to influence species habitats. Species habitats. For example, acid rain, which is typically caused by the burning of fossil fuels, typically caused by the burning of fossil fuels, can acidify smaller bodies of water, can acidify smaller bodies of water and soil negatively, affecting the species that live there by live thereby changing breeding and feeding habits. Breeding and feeding habits. Inshallah, in next class we will discuss the other main threats of biodiversity. Thanks.